Here we have a new Ferarri hitting the streets, 812. And Vin, say the word next to 812 there. What's the model name? The 812 what?
Competizione.
Whoa! Italy in the house. Will, did you know that Vin spent 10 years in Italy?
3 months.
No. 3 months, I believe.
Maybe 2. It was cut short.
He went to Italy to learn Italian.
Oh, yeah? Specifically?
Find myself.
Sounds about right.
Did you find yourself there, Vin?
Yeah.
All of it?
A good part.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Where were you hiding?
The middle on the east. Adriatic.
Yeah. You get a suntan over there?
It was
Yeah.
spring.
Okay. Anyway, this car comes from Italy, hence the name. Very powerful vehicle. You'll probably never get your hands on it. That's the fun part. They boosted the horsepower from the regular 812 Superfast up to 818 horsepower, that's what you would need around here to just get around A to B grocery shopping, right, Will? 818 horsepower?
For sure.
Yeah.
Why is it there only one picture?
No, there's more. You just got to scroll.
Scroll down.
Yeah, get your scroll going. You get a bunch of pictures down there. So here's the cool part about this car. Here's why you can't get it. Listen to this. The cars are, and this is in quotes, dedicated to a very exclusive group of collectors and enthusiasts of the most noble of Ferrari traditions. You see? That's how you buy it. You know, talking about exclusivity. That's their official line on who gets a chance to buy it. And they're going to still charge those people
Yes.
plenty of dollars, but you got to prove to Ferrari you're of the most noble Ferrari tradition.
That's like bloodline generations of
My father was a noble Ferrari customer, and my grandfather was a noble customer. I myself am also a noble Ferrari customer. Please grant me the opportunity. Yeah. That got me going when I saw the word noble in there.